So I want to do a quick video to show you how to run Simplex on a Windows laptop. I did the previous one about how to do it on Mac, but this is specifically for Windows. Now first you need to install Docker. So you can do it to get to a page like this, the official Docker page to install Docker. You can just do a search as usual, download Docker desktop on Windows, and more or less the first link usually takes you to that page, and you can download Docker desktop for Windows. Yeah, so I already have it downloaded and installed, so I won't do this anymore. And when I go to my desktop, I'll see Docker there. I can start it up. Now, starting up Docker on Windows, sometimes you see this, that virtualization is not detected. So what do you do? First, you go to your task manager, and then you go to performance tab. Then under the CPU segments, you check to see that virtualization is enabled. Right, as you can see, it's enabled here. And once you confirm that virtualization is enabled, what you want to do next is go to your control panel. You can just do a search here. Turn Windows features on or off. You click on that. So you want to turn on some Windows features, 3 major features. Number 1 is virtual machine platform. Number 2 is Windows hypervisor platform. And the third one is the Windows subsystem for Linux. And then you click on OK. The system proceeds to search for the required files. And if they've not been installed before, it will install them. So, and after this process, you'll be asked to restart your laptop. So I'm going to restart my laptop, and once I restart it, I'll see that the error will be gone. So I've restarted my laptop, and as you can see, I no longer have the error, right? So next thing I'll do is pull and run Simplex. So this is Simplex by Prerequisites Labs. I'll just click on run, and it will be pulled and run. While that is being pulled, I'll quickly create a volume. This volume allows me to persist my data, Simplex data, right? So that after I fill in my config values, and I maybe have to delete a container and start a new container, I won't have to go through the process of putting all the config values from scratch. So I can start from perceived values and the likes. So this is still being pulled. Should be ready soon. Okay, so the image has been downloaded, has been pulled rather. So I'm going to run it, and there's some settings there. This name is optional, but I'll just use this for easy identifiability. Then for this, I can use these same numbers here, or I should actually use the same numbers here, right? They can be copied or typed in. Same with this box also, 2090. For the volume, I'll use the volume we created, simplex-data. And for this container part, it's already hard coded, and so I need to use this same value. Then I'll click on run, and Simplex will be started up. So it's been started up, and I just need to visit this on my browser. And yeah, browser, go to this place, localhost 8686. Now I need to get my private key. Now come to my MetaMask. Open it up. Get my private key from here. Confirm. And when I click on this, my private key will be copied. I'll paste it here. I'll move on to the next. For this, I could generate a new account automatically, but I want to use a preferred account, so I'll get my saved mnemonic phrase from here. Check bridge balance. See that my account is preferred. Go to the next one. I have an API key. You need to get an API key to run this. Just get my API key. Paste it in. I'm going to validate the API key and prefill all the chains. They've been prefilled. I only want to provide liquidity on this chain, so I'll select that. And I'll go to the next page. For this, I'll just put random values for now. 137394 for this, and 1393 for this. Just random values. I could add extra points, which are this, or extra markets, which are entirely different currencies, right? I could also activate cross-chain transfer markets, but I won't do that. For this too, I could activate yield, but I won't be doing that for this. And these are some other config values you could adjust. I'll confirm that the addresses are correct and everything is good to go. Then I'll save and start my filler. And in a minute, my dashboard will come up. This is my dashboard, and that's how to set up Simplex on Windows. Thank you.